As always, it's a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's damp. The shirt has already been flipped inside out and the center line has been marked. So let's go ahead and start doing this. And this is the same beginning I use for everything that has a symmetrical design. So the arms get pulled through and everything gets flipped. And there's a separate video that shows this in detail with explanations. Alright, that took longer than normal. There we go. That works. Alright, so I'm not going to go all the way up to here. I'm going to keep it a little bit shorter than that. So, probably about like that. So I'm going to draw this in first, and then come back and touch up those tops and bottoms that aren't in the first shot. Right, just going to accordion fold this. Alright, I'm going to put a rubber band around this if I can. Alright, that's to hold that in place. I'm going to go ahead and touch this up. Alright, let me mark this off real quick. Let's see what we go with. Go with like 1.5 inches between these. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and tie this up with sinew. So I'm going to move the rubber band off. And I'm not pulling this super tight. Basically tight enough for it to stay in place, and that's pretty much it. Alright, I'll put the rest of these in place. Alright, then I'll do this side. Alright, let's space this one out. I'm going to do this a bit wider. I think I'm going to go about 2.5 inches on the spacing for this side. Alright, so this is the finished tie. Off to dye. So I've got it inside an aluminum tray, just to confine it, and it's going to be a muck dye on the back side because there's no way to readily do the same pattern on both sides doing this. So the colors will be forest green, avocado, and yes, I know avocado looks like that when you open it, which isn't really green, but trees kind of have brown in them, so the brown should work. That's what I'm going with. bright green, moss green, scarlet, fire red, burgundy, oxblood red, and these are all from Dharma. Alright, so I'm going to start on this side since this is the center part and this is the outer. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll let that melt through and then we'll take a look. Alright, first layer of ice is melted through, so I'm going to add some soda ash all the way across it and then do a second layer of ice. Alright, we'll let that sit and melt through and probably do the washout after this. Alright, it's been about 24 hours. Let's do this washout. Alright, let's take a look. So I'll throw that in the washing machine and we'll take a final look. Alright, here's the final results. So I like how this turned out. This actually worked pretty well. Seemed like a whole lot of work applying the dye, especially since you couldn't see much of a difference between the colors. But it actually worked pretty good. I was really concerned it was going to blend in a lot. Because normally with that type of dye layout, you do radically different colors. And with 4 greens and 4 reds, there was quite a bit of concern. But it worked. And it even looks tree-ish and holiday-ish. So I'm happy. Anyway, so let me know what you think down below. And as always, thanks for watching.